Okay, so what we're doing today is we are going to drink a sip of coffee real quick. What we're going to do is we are going to take a few photos here that I have. We're going to take this photo here, okay, and we're going to take this photo here. Either one of these photos right here, we're going to cut them out in Photoshop, and then we are going to put them in other scenes. We're going to take a scene from Google, and we are going to place our image on top of it, and then we're going to use those images to then later construct an ad for an image for Instagram. And yeah, we're going to see what we can come up with. And just a simple, just how-to video, how I create these images for, like, for social media. All right, here we go. Let's do this. So first, what we're going to do is obviously get into Photoshop here, and actually what we need to do is we need to find a background picture for us. So let's go with cabin in the woods, and let's go with images. And I was not. Let's go with beautiful. We'll click on beautiful. Here we go. Here we go. I like this one here. Look at this. Okay, here we go. Let's click on this. Perfect. Yeah. Okay. Right here. This image right here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go snip. We're gonna do the snipping tool. Oh, yeah. New snip. There it is. And we're gonna snip this real quick. We're gonna take this image. Okay. Photoshop. This background. Let's just go with. Let's make it white. All right. Just keep it white and simple. Okay. Now we're gonna bring those other photos into this. Like so. We're gonna bring this guy. And then we're gonna bring this photo. Okay. It's way too big. See, what we can do is we can put this like right here on the ground. Or what you can do is we can do it like this. We're gonna probably make it about that big right there, so we can put some text next to it. You know what I'm saying? We'll put like some nice words right here. Okay, so let's get into it. Here we are. Okay, and what we're gonna do is we're going to take a simple tool, like not that one, this one right here. Okay, and we're gonna run this tool over just like this. Okay, right click, select inverse, and then I just do the good old eraser, the good old fashioned eraser. I want to go over here. Yeah, right there's cool. Now watch. Whoa, whoa, it's magic, you know. Oh, whoa, whoa. Then we can just do it wherever we want it. We just put it wherever we want. I mean, looks pretty cool, right? Alright, so we got this one. We can also do another one. Let's do another one. So file new. Let's do a new one. Okay. And then this one right here, what we are going to do. Why is this like. I don't know why I thought like that. Okay. We're going to take this one now. We're going to put this one out here. And we are going to do. And then we're going to bring this over here. Okay. And I'm going to leave this bag. Just like that. Okay. Whoa. Maybe not. Maybe a little small. We're going to do the same eraser technique. Whoa. I almost forgot. Woo! Let's see what's going on now. I think this bag looks better. In Photoshop, and then I'm going to bring them into Canva, and we're going to do some more really cool things that make some Instagram posts, Instagram ads, or whatever you want to call them. I don't know. All kinds of stuff. Instagram posts, and to do is I'm going to frame them perfectly to be in the square. Bam, that's the center one right there. Look at that. Banger. Okay. And then what I want to do is I want to put some text on this. And we're going to put a heading, and it's going to be in this text. Oh, and it's going to say AFP Coffee Sub Club. Okay. can change the color of this. Let's go. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, yeah, the yellow. Show the yellow. Let's go the yellow wheel. Ooh, look at that. That was cool, right? Anyways, let me make this text smaller now. There it is, like right there. That's the perfect size right there. No, maybe a little bigger. We'll go bigger. Right there. Okay. Bam. AFP Coffee Sub Club. And then we will do another one. Subheading here. Here, and that one's gonna be I think we can go different text on that though. Might not be bold enough. There we go. And it's as simple as that. Look at that. That's awesome. Let's go with this one now. Boom. Wow, we're talking coffee now. We are in the coffee business now. And there we go. Okay. Now let's just go. Oh yeah, let's do this too. We can always go with this too. Oh, I should have added a logo on there, huh? Next time I will. It's okay. Let's go text, and we're gonna do another. AFP Coffee Sub Club. And then what we're going to add is bam. And there it is. There's another one. Alright, we're